Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami Cherry Blossom Boulogne bag. Now this one came with a lot of the LVTM multicolor packaging, which was released with the first two collections. It also came with the new Monogram box, which I think is really nice and just adds another detail of a, signature Louis Vuitton icon. Now, I do love that they change up their packaging from time to time, so I hope that they keep doing that. Okay, now getting the first glimpse of this bag, I have to say it is so beautiful. Now, having seen all three collections at this point, all three chapters of the Murakami, I do think that the Cherry Blossom is my personal favorite. It feels the most happy to me, it feels the most cheerful, and honestly, the faces kind of disappear for me, especially after having seen the cherry faces. Now, this bag does come with two different straps. It comes with a very luxurious adjustable leather strap, and then it comes with a gold chain strap. Now, I personally like the leather strap a little bit better than the chain strap, and I don't know that I'm going to use the chain strap because when you do walk around with both of them on, you hear it kind of making noise. To me, that might be a little bothersome, especially if I'm, trying to get somewhere fast or walk somewhere fast. I don't really want that like clicking and clanging. Now we are going to try this on with both of them so you get to see all of the details. But first, let's take a look inside the bag. So we have the beautiful pink felt lining, and we do have, of course, the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami 20th anniversary leather tag in there. Now, this lining, I have to say, so perfect for the bag. I really do like that they matched the interior of the bag to the exterior details. Now, trying on the bag for the first time, I think my intuition was correct. So this is the bag with the chain strap, and to me it doesn't fully match because there is the leather at the bottom of the bag, the tan vachetta, and then it kind of transitions into the chain, which to me feels like a mismatch. Now that's my personal preference, and I encourage you, think about it yourself. But I personally think I'm going to like it with the leather strap a little bit better. So let's go ahead and assemble that and try it on. Now I'm going to leave the chain strap on there for a second just so you can see and get a sense for how much it does move around. But as we're assembling this, you will see that I have it on the smaller of the settings. So when we hold it all the way down, there are snaps in there, and I don't know for the life of me why I didn't actually snap them, but I am going to show you the general length of them on my shoulder. So this is a really cool convertible strap. So you do get it around your arm length, and to me, this look just feels finished. Like, I prefer the strap so much better because it feels like the top of the bag is talking to the bottom of the bag. Now we also have it the long ways, and this is my personal favorite. Like, this is the money shot for me. I really like it. You can wear it on your crossbody as well because the strap is long enough, and yeah, I overall really like it. I think it's a very fun and cheerful bag, and I really like the flowers. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.